In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to the footer in WordPress. Having social media icons on your website is a great way to connect with your audience and encourage visitors to engage with your brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. By placing these icons in your footer, they'll be easily accessible on every page of your site, making it simple for your audience to follow or contact you. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen for the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, to make the sign-in process quicker and easier, select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to avoid the hassle of remembering yet another username and password. Simply choose your preferred Google account from the list and complete the sign-in process. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website. Look for the Quick Links section, which should be easy to spot. From there, click on Edit Site to open the site editor. Once you're in the site editor, you'll see a thumbnail of your website. Click on this thumbnail to begin editing. This will take you to the visual editor where you can make changes to your site in real time. Scroll down until you reach the footer area of your website. The footer is the section at the very bottom of your site that appears on every page. Click directly on the footer, and you'll notice an option to add a new block. Select this option to start customizing your footer. In the block search bar that appears, begin typing the word social. This will filter the available blocks and make it faster to locate what you need. From the search results, select the social icons block and click on it to add it to your footer. Once the social icons block is added, you can begin customizing it to align with your brand's look and feel. This step is important because you want the icons to blend seamlessly with the rest of your website. Adjust the colors, sizes, and styles of the icons to match your brand's color scheme. This small detail makes a big difference in maintaining a professional and cohesive design. When you're happy with how the social media icons look, don't forget to save your changes. This final step ensures that your work is applied to your live site so your visitors can immediately see and use the new icons. And that's it. You've successfully added social media icons to the footer of your WordPress site. This simple addition can help boost your online presence and make it easier for your audience to connect with you on social media. If you have any questions or need help with another WordPress feature, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or suggestions for future tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.